A very good morning, children. Welcome to today's English class. Today's class, you are going to learn revision of periodic test 1 once again, dear children. Okay, this is the second video of revision class. Okay, children. So, dear children, the same revision once again we will do because Friday you have test. Okay, children, periodical test 1. So that once again we will revise the mains. First main, revision of periodic test 1, July 21. Okay, English subject. Tick if the underlined words in each sentence is a common or proper noun. Okay, simple, very simple, dear children. You have to focus on underlined words. Okay, focus on underlined words. Each question, underlined words. Okay, underlined word is given. You have to focus on that word and you have to find out whether this word is common or proper noun, dear children. Rajesh is playing the piano. Rajesh is playing the piano. Here, dear children, we know that Rajesh is a common noun. Sorry, proper noun. Okay, name of a boy. So name of a person. So this is a proper noun. Here, underline words. Underline word is piano. Okay, underlined word is piano. So, dear children, tell me, piano is a common noun or a proper noun? Piano is a common noun, dear children. Here, piano's name is not mentioned here. Okay, simply piano is given here. So, piano is a common noun, dear children. So, here two options are given here. One is common noun, another one is proper noun. You have to tick on common noun, dear children. You have to tick on common noun. Next one. Sachin walked out to bat. Sachin, name of a person, name of a people. So, which one is correct, dear children? Common, proper. Which one is correct? Sachin, name. Okay, Sachin is a name, particular name. Okay, children. So, proper noun. P-R-O-P-E-R. Proper noun. N-O-U-N, noun. Next one. The name of my dog is Brownie. The name of my dog is Brownie. So, dear children, one more thing. If you have still some doubt, means just here look at the word, underlined word. Here small letter. Okay, the word begins with small letter. So, this is common noun. This word begins with capital letter. So, this word is proper noun, dear children. Okay, so always remember, dear children, proper noun always starts with capital letters, dear children. The name, third question, the name of my dog is Brownie. Brownie, B capital, and Brownie is a name of a dog. Okay, name of an animal. Okay, so Brownie is a proper noun. P-R-O-P-E-R, proper, N-O-U-N, noun. Next, India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August. Here, not only one proper noun, dear children. Here, look at this sentence. India, I capital. Then independence. Here also I capital. Okay, day, D capital, and A, August. A also capital. Okay, so here, this is, here see, Independence Day. This is also name of a event. Okay, name of an event. And here August is also month name, dear children. okay, month name, and here India. Okay, so three proper nouns are there in this sentence, dear children. Okay, but you have to focus on only the underlined word. Here, what is this? India, I capital letter. So we know that it is proper noun. India is name of place, our country name, dear children. India is our country name. So proper noun. So proper noun. Put tick on proper noun. P-R-O-P-E-R. Proper N-O-U-N. Noun. Next, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest. Mount Everest. Everest is the name. Is the highest peak. Highest peak. Underline word. It is a common noun, dear children. Small letter. Okay, this word begins with small letter, and also this is not a particular name, dear children. So, common noun. C-O-M-M-O-N. Common. N-O-U-N. Noun. Next one. Emperor Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in Agra. Look at this word. Agra, a capital letter, Agra. So, capital letter word. So, which one is correct? Common or proper? Proper noun, dear children. P-R-O-P-E-R. Proper N-O-U-N. Noun. Next, last one. Last one. Renu is throwing the ball. Renu is throwing the ball. Which one is correct? Renu. Renu is a girl name. So Renu is throwing the ball. Proper noun. Capital letter word. P-R-O-P-E-R. Proper N-O-U-N. Noun. Dear children, next main. So first main over. Next main. Write the proper noun for each common noun. Okay, this main contains 4 marks. So this side in question paper I'll give you common noun. Okay, one common noun, and that common noun you have to write proper noun. Okay, so here see a boy. Just you have to write any one boy name. Okay, so here Arjun. For example, I am given here Arjun, but you can write your best friend name here also. Not girl's name. You have to write boy name. Arjun, Arya, okay, Manu, anything you can write here. Next here see. Next one see a city name. City name. Any one of the city name right here. Davangere, Bangalore. Okay, Bangalore. Okay, anything you can write here. Girl name. Write your best friend name here. Okay, Anita, Manvita. Anything you can write here. A day of the week. Write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, any one of the week name right here, dear children. A country name, right? Country name, India, China, America, Pakistan, anything you can write here, dear children. Holiday, Christmas holiday, Diwali holiday, Eid holiday. Okay, write any one holiday name here. Next, river name. Write Yamuna, Ganga, Kaveri. Okay, any one of the river name. Month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, any one of the name right here, dear children. So second main also over. Now third main, write true or false, dear children. This main, up to this main, second main, okay, you will get in your grammar book. Okay, up to second main, this is the grammar part. From third main, Okay, this is prose textbook means, dear children. Write true or false. Dear children, next main, write true or false. The camel feels cold, dear children. The camel feels cold. In the lesson, the camel and the trader, the camel feels cold. Is this right sentence? True sentence? Dear children, tell me. In the desert, the daytime is very hot and the night time is very cold, dear children. The camel feels cold, so that what happened? The camel requests to its master, okay, to allow inside the tent. So the camel feels cold. Yes, children, this sentence is true sentence. Yes, put tick mark, otherwise write true. True, true. Next one, the trader is very kind. Very kind means very good heart. Okay, very good person. Kind, very good hearted means very good person anta artha. So the trader is very kind. Yes, children, he is very kind, very good person. Okay, so that what happened? He he allowed to come inside to the tent. Okay, so the trader is very kind. True sentence. Next, that night it was warm in the desert. Now, dear children, tell me, that night, in the night time in the desert, okay, it was warm or it was cold. Night time, what? It was cold, not it was warm. So, here given warm, children. So, this sentence is false sentence. So, this one, wrong one, okay. The camel feels cold. The question is repeated. Okay, repeated once again. The camel feels cold. Put tick mark. Next one. First, the camel puts its neck into the tent. Yes, dear children, correct. Okay. First, the camel put its neck up to its neck, head and neck part into the tent. Finally, the camel puts half its body in. Finally, this sentence you can see, dear children. Finally, end of the story. What happened? The camel puts half its body in or full its body in? Full body, not half body. Okay, so this sentence is half a false sentence. Okay. Next, so true or false also over. Next, plural words. Okay, write the plural words of these words. Okay. First one, dog, dogs. Mouse, mice. Okay, mouse, mice. This is different one, irregular one. So, mouse, mouse, mice, mice. Baby, last letter Y means, last letter Y will come means what you should do? You have to remove this Y letter and in that place what you should write? IES, dear children. Baby, babies. Bird, birds. Mouse, mice. Once again same word repeated here. Mouse, mice. Kitten, kittens. Horse, this one horses, dear children. Horse, okay. Horse, horses. Okay, horse, horses. Cow, cows. Okay, only 8 words are given here. Dog, dogs. Mouse, mice. Baby, babies. Bird, birds. Kitten, kittens. Horse, horses. Cow, cows. Next main. Take the right options. Okay. Here options are given here. You have to choose the correct answer and put tick mark on it. What does the camel do slowly? What does the camel do slowly? Enter the tent step by step. Enter the tent step by step. How does the trader feel when the camel made a request for the first time? Willing to help. Okay, willing to help. He was accepted. What does the camel do at the end of the story? End of the story, what happened? It pushes. It pushes means who pushes? Here it means camel. Okay, pronoun of camel, dear children. It pushes its master out. Okay, here in this sentence it means camel, dear children. Camel pushes its master out. These stand on one leg and sleep. So which one is in this poem? How they sleep? Okay, who stand on one leg and sleep? Chickens and little birds. Correct? No, dear children. Here options are, you can see little birds, cats. So which one is correct? Little birds. Okay, little birds stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. And tuck their heads away andre insert their heads into their back feathers, dear children. Okay, so because to protect themselves from the cold. Next one, these curl up in a heap. Cows or dogs? Dogs. Okay, dogs curl up in a heap. Sometimes stretch out. Okay, stretch out in the straight way. Next, these lie down upon their sides. Cows lie down upon their sides. These hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. Okay, stall is a place for horses. Okay, so horses, horses, horses. Okay, children. Now, dear children, next main, answer these questions. First question, this is last main, dear children. First question, why does the camel put its head inside the tent? Dear children, tell me. Answer, read it after with me. The camel puts its head into the tent because, okay, because it feels very cold and wants to be warm in the tent. Okay, the camel feels very cold, so that the camel wants to be warm in the tent. So that what happened? The camel puts its head into the tent. Next question, what does the camel put inside the tent next? Next, what happened? First, the camel puts its head into the tent. Next, what happened? The camel put its shoulders inside the tent next. The camel put its shoulders inside the tent next. When it becomes colder, what does the camel want to put inside the tent? When it becomes colder, the camel wants to put the rest of its body into the tent. Okay, end of the story. What happened? The camel wants to put the rest of the full body into the tent. Next question, what word does the poet use to describe the way in which some things go to sleep, dear children? Funny. Okay, the poet uses the word funny to describe how some animals go to sleep. What do little birds and chickens do while sleeping? Little birds and chickens stand on one leg and tuck their heads as they sleep, dear children. How do kittens look when they curl up close? Kittens look like a funny ball when they curl up close to sleep. How do cows go to sleep? Cows lie down on their sides to sleep. Where do little babies sleep and how? This is last question, dear children. Last one. Little babies sleep in their beds. They are tucked in with warm blankets. They have soft pillows for their heads. So this is the revision class. Okay, so today we have completed this one revision class. 2 times we have done this revision class. Okay, so what you should do, dear children, you have to do practice and question answers. Okay, write in practice. Okay, more times. Okay, children, so have a wonderful day. See you again in the next class. Till then, bye dear children. Stay happy and stay healthy and stay safe also. Okay. Thank you.